Kimberly D. Guzman and Eunice Morales, we are very proud to present today a very private talk with Mr. Reynaldo Tiagra, a successful seaman for 19 years, a father of two, a husband, and a very responsible head of the family. Good afternoon, Mr. Reynaldo.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Welcome. So, Mr. Reynaldo, shall we start?
Of course, yes. Let's talk first about your profession. We all know that you're a seaman for 19 years. Was that your first choice? Actually, no, because I don't have anything that comes in mind. I'm not really interested in taking anything at all.
Mr. Reynaldo, who influenced you to get your choice to have your profession?
It's my father, actually. He thinks that being a seaman is one of the easiest ways to get money at that time. What are the plans that you have made before going out to your school for trips, like your family plans?
Like your future plans and where the salary will be spent?
I first thought of spending my salary on buying a house and lot. And of course, the others that will be left are I'm going to send it to the bank and be saved. Of course, with the education of my children.
Thank you, Mr. Reynaldo. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.